Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So one of the first things I'm doing is using a peach color corrector. This one is from Becca Cosmetics and it's just a cream product. I'm putting it under my eyes, around my nose, and around my mouth. I'm using Versali's Glass Radiance Priming Serum as well as Versali's Skin Tune Blur Serum, and these are basically just to help prep the skin before I put any cream products down or any foundation. Going in with a cream bronzing product from Nude Stix. This is in the shade Sunkissed, and I'm just using this around my face just to add a little bit more warmth under my foundation. I'm using NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation all over my face and just using my brush to really buff it in to make it as seamless and natural as possible. I'm using Anastasia's foundation stick in the color Mink. Now this has a lot more of a gray undertone, which is going to help mimic natural shadows. For concealer, I am using Tarte Shape Tip Concealer just on any high points of my face as well as under my eyes to help brighten. The reason why I'm going with so many liquid and cream products is because I want my skin to look as flawless and as natural and skin-like as possible. I'm using Huda Beauty's Tantor in the shade Medium, and I'm just using this to bronze my skin as well as using it as a contour on my nose. Magic Star Concealer by Jeffree Star Cosmetics in the shade C13, and this is pretty light for me, so I'm using it to kind of get that Kim K's signature bright under eye look, and I'm also using it to help chisel out my cheekbones. I am using Laura Mercier's translucent setting powder just under the eyes, and then using whatever that's left over all over my face to set all the cream and liquid products. I'm using Benefit Cosmetics Precisely My Brow Pencil just to fill in my brow and then just kind of create some hair-like strokes on areas that are sparse. Dusting away any extra powder I have under my eyes, I'm just jumping right into eyeshadow. To create something a little bit more bronzy, I'm using just some light brown shadow all over my lid, using some dark brown at the corner to create some depth, and then just popping a little bit of gold on the center to kind of help with that bronze effect. To get that naturally sultry type of look, I am doing a pretty dramatic wing. It's just going to help elongate the eyes, and then I'm just using a dark brown shadow under the eyes to define. To help open my eyes a little bit more, I am using a nude liner. You can definitely use white, but I just personally prefer nude. I'm going in with a peachy pink blush, and then just to tie the entire look together, I'm going in with Benefit's Hoola bronzer. I'm going in with the cream gold liquid highlighter. This is from Nude Stix in the color 24 Goddess. And I'm just going over any high points of my face. And of course, I'm going over the cream product with the powder highlighter. This one is from Anastasia and Amarizi. To line my lips, I'm using NYX Cosmetics lip liner in the color Nude Truffle, and I am overlining because I do want that pouty type of look. I'm using NYX lip cream in the color Abu Dhabi. And I'm just using a lighter lip color. This one is from Dose of Colors in the shade Let's Cuddle, just tapping it on the center of my lips. Once I'm happy with how my lips look, I'm just going over everything with a lip gloss. This one is called Tantalize from Bare Minerals. And that's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.